Hey everyone, welcome to Moissage Therapy. I'm Moy. Today, I'm going to show you how to pin and stretch the upper traps and levator scapula, two muscles that love to hang on to stress from daily life or hours at the desk. This is a simple, effective way to bring real relief to your patients. This technique is so effective because it combines rotation with neck flexion, giving you a powerful way to target multiple layers of tension at once. Let's break it down step by step. Always starting with some gentle neck traction is a fantastic way to gently decompress the spine, taking pressure off the discs and nerves that cause so much discomfort. Start with the hand that's doing most of the work. You'll scoop under the neck from the opposite side, anchoring your middle and index finger right behind the SCM and splenius capitis. From there, pull a bit of gentle traction upwards. This locks in your position and it is key for making this technique work. Next, softly flex the wrist and fingers until your patient's head rests on your hand. This will turn the head. You don't have to actively flex their neck, it's a natural flow. It'll do it by itself. I recommend practicing this hold a couple times before you even consider pinning down the traps. Just get comfortable with how it feels. Now, find the muscle belly of the upper trap with the other hand, using the pad of the thumb, not the tip. Anchor your pin on the most dense part of the trap, so palpate carefully. Once you're secure, slowly rotate the head as far as it comfortably wants to go. You'll notice your thumb on the pin part wants to naturally start to slide, creating a wonderful stripping effect along the muscle fibers. Most patients find this absolutely delicious. This is a simple way to deliver deep release without excessive force. Work your way down slowly towards the shoulder, about ½ inch at a time. Avoid using the very tips of your thumbs here. Those can create a sharp, burning sensation that nobody wants. Now that you know how to do the technique, let's talk about a few important things to keep in mind while doing this technique. First, always test your patient's range of motion before you start. Compare the left to right and always look for asymmetries. Your goal isn't to treat both sides exactly the same, but to help your patient achieve balanced movement and tension in both sides. That's what leads to lasting relief, is creating symmetrical tension. Also, be careful around the posterior triangle of the neck. This area is super sensitive and doesn't respond super well to the pin and stretch, so avoid smashing those muscles too firmly. That area can get a little squishy. Make sure you cover the entire trap. Get a solid anchor near the trap's insertion, close to the chromium. Pronate the arm. That means rotate your forearm so your palm faces downwards to get a more acute pressure as close as you can to those bony landmarks. And one last tip. While you're performing this, watch how my body sways to the rhythm of the pin and stretch. This movement helps you recruit your whole body instead of just your arms, making this technique feel smoother and easier on you. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me through this upper trap pin and stretch technique. Remember, mastering these details can really take your massage skills from good to exceptional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give that like button, low tip up for me, or consider subscribing for more practical tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your patients. Peace out.